fear betrays Mr. Floyd's memory. Fear betrays Mr. Floyd's memory. So this is a good sentence. Fear betrays. What does betray mean?
I know they cheat on you.
Yeah, cheat on the memory. Right, exactly. It makes it kind of like cheat. So what the good thing from Freud's memory? He died, right?
Yeah. It's not good thing.
It's a good thing. Well, it's a bad thing, but it's a
Yeah.
good thing for people to remember that. It's
Yeah.
a good thing to remember that.
Yeah.
So this will be betrayed by fear. So fear is actually making people forget this memory. So the good thing that come out from his death, which is just like now people think this is a very important thing.
Yeah.
They'll forget that because of the fear. That's what this sentence means.
Oh,
They'll betray.
you just remember the fear and forgot
Yes,
the
yes.
how Floyd died.
Yes.
Okay.
The more America is united, okay, the more America is together, the better it can strive, the better it can work together, strive, move forward to ensure that all its citizens are able to live by its founding ideals. So if you work together, then you can make sure that everybody can get can live with its founding ideals, meaning good ideals.
Good idea.
Founding means like how the country began. Like you know, we have a lot of like everybody's equal kind of stuff like that. That's the founding ideals. Unity will not come from Mr. Trump. So that's what I said. You're not gonna get unity from Mr. Trump.
What's unity?
We just talk about united, together, right?
Oh yeah.
So,
so unity will not come from Donald Trump.
Yeah. Who has spent 4 years trying to divide the country. Instead, the leaders of protest movements, along with America's mayors and police chiefs, must inspire it themselves. So you're not gonna get a unity from Mr. Trump. That's what they're saying here.
Why you say Mr. Trump spent 4 years trying to divide?
He has. He has done many things. Like he want to put a wall between here and Mexico, for example.
But not divide the country.
That is dividing. The people who don't want that wall. He wants to like put like I don't know, people Latin America want to send them back. That's dividing the country. It's like we saw that divide moms from parents from their kids, right? We saw he has a lot of division part. All this black and white stuff is dividing the country too. He's dividing that too.
Okay.
He says, okay, you know this black protesters, they are bad people causing trouble. That's what he wants to say.
Okay.
He doesn't want to give them any rights or whatever.
Okay.
Instead, then who can do it? If not Mr. Trump, then it has to be the mayors and police chiefs have to do this. The leaders of the protest movement with American mayors and police chiefs, they must unite the people. That's what they're saying. Mr. Trump cannot unite. That's what they're saying.
Instead, the leaders of protest movements, along with Americans' mayor and the police chiefs, must inspire
the unity.
It means the unity of themselves.
Yes.
It means the protesters and the mayors and the police chiefs should make
people together.
Make it united.
Yes.
Not Donald Trump.
No, Donald can't do it.
Okay.
If the protesters are, and he will not do it, by the way. It's not he cannot do it. He won't. He is actually against this.
Okay.
If the protest, again, he's trying to win, and he's going to win by fear. That's what we know.
Oh, okay.
If the protests are overwhelmingly non-violent, they carry a promise. If you make the protest not violent, then they have a promise. Not that protesters will get everything they want, nor that the injustices holding back African Americans can all be put right at once, but that tomorrow can be better than today. So basically, not saying much this sentence. It's like you're not going to solve everything, but at least you'll be better tomorrow than today.
So this means non-violent.
Yeah, non-violent is better than violent.
Okay.
You might not be able to get everything, but at least it's better than.
Okay.